What is going on, everyone? Today my name is Drew. What it do? Hope you're having a fantastic day. And in today's video we're going to be unboxing, showcasing, and talking about the JJJJound x Reebok Classic Nylon. Let's get into it. I was really excited to get these shoes in hand. Upon opening the box, it's a slide out box, you're greeted by the JJJJound Reebok Classic Nylons. The shoes have a very simplistic and minimalistic unboxing experience. There's just tissue paper, the shoes themselves, and that's pretty much it. These are my first pair of JJJJound Reebok collaborated footwear, and I'm really excited to give you guys this review because I have always wanted one of these very minimalistic, very simplistic JJJJound footwear pieces. One of the things that strikes me when I first look at the sneaker and have the sneaker in hand is just how clean it is, right? I think that, you know, the cleanness, the polish of the sneaker is portrayed through the images online, but I also feel that sense of clean, versatile footwear design that, you know, you would typically get with a JJJJound piece. The sneakers come with an extra pair of laces, one white flat lock pair of laces and then one cream. If you know me, I love cream, so I might change these out for cream just because I just think cream is just a nice little touch. The sneaker is comprised of, you guessed it, nylon. The upper of the sneaker has also suede hits. The suede is nice to the touch, but it isn't anything hairy. It's not that hairy, heavy kind of suede in which kind of it moves back and forth when you touch it with your finger. The suede portion of the sneaker is also more of like a beige color, right? And I like that beige color. It's kind of, it kind of is like an off-white, you know, cream, brown. It's in the realm, it's in the family of the creams and the browns of the world. So I think it's a really beautiful touch. Inside of the sneaker, I believe, is lined with terry cloth. And I was really interested to kind of feel this and get this in hand because a lot of people were saying that the terry cloth was a very nice addition to the sneaker. When we get to the on-foot portion of the review, I'll tell you guys a little bit about how it feels. But to the touch, my hand feels it. It feels nice. It feels really good, and I love I love the way it looks too. The terry cloth has these little kind of beads in it individually, and you know, I feel like as you wear it, as it frays a little bit, it'll just, you know, age really nicely. Speaking to minimalism, there are actually only two places in which you know that this is a Reebok shoe. On the interior of the shoe, literally, there is a little Reebok symbol. I don't even know if you can see it with my camera. And then on the outsole, it says Reebok. Let me see if I can get this. It says Reebok. I think that's the right way. And so that's the only way you know this is a Reebok shoe. And then obviously you have the JJJJound iconography or symbolism on the side of the shoe, which indicates it's a JJJJound sneaker collaboration. And I think this is a really amazing, simplistic way to you know, showcase that this is JJJJound. For me, like, I used to like things that were loud as a kid, you know what I mean? You used to wear like neon colors and different things like that, right? But as I've grown up, I think that it's really fun to be able to own items, own products that are much more subtle, much more low key. But the person who knows, and they give you that, you know, they give you that nod because they know that, you know, what you're wearing has some cachet to it. Rather than, you know, trying to be so loud, so, you know, boisterous with my outfits to try to get even the average person to know that, you know, I'm cool, I'm hot, something like that. I don't know, it's just something really subtle, and it's, you know, the way I think about it, you can think about it in a totally different way. One more thing I didn't mention, on the striping of the classic nylon, there actually is, it looks, this right here is leather, and it runs all the way through. It seems to be a decently nice leather if I touch it. Obviously the shoe is constructed of mostly nylon, but I think the leather touch is really nice. Just wanted to point that out. All right, let's get to the on-foot portion of the review. I'm gonna talk a little bit about sizing, talk a little bit about comfort, and then give you my final verdict for what I think of this shoe. All right, y'all, I switched to my phone for a second because I do have to cut off the StockX tag. I did get these from StockX. You know, retail is tough nowadays. I don't know how people cop on retail, but All right, we're gonna, give me a second. I'm gonna cut these off with my handy dandy Swiss Army knife. If you know, you know. This is a sacred moment right here. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Ooh. Ooh. Might as well do the tags as well, right? Let's get these tags off, man. Hopefully they fit. Oh my gosh, I missed it. I missed it. First impressions, I love the fit. I'm gonna have to do the lace lock, put it through the lace lock or the lace hole one more time. It's a little bit long, but man, these feel good. All right. All right, y'all, let's talk about sizing and comfort when it comes to these. When I first put them on, they felt very, very snug to the foot, and walking around in them, I would say that your sizing for these would probably be true to size. These, you know, have a very nice lockdown to them, I would say, and maybe over time as I wear them more, they might, you know, mold more to my foot. But they, from the box to the foot, they have a very nice lockdown. So true to size. I'm a true size 11. These felt great in terms of sizing as a true size 11. Now let's talk about comfort for a second. Now the classic nylon, when I was doing a little bit of light research on the silhouette, because I never had the silhouette before, it seems to me that the classic nylon is a classic shoe, you know what I'm saying? It has heritage in the past, right? And so when it comes to comfort on these, I would probably say the comfort is average. Not gonna, you know, knock you into the next realm of comfort or knock you into the future of comfort, but definitely a shoe that I feel like, you know, you can wear, you can enjoy, you can forget about that when they're on when they are on your feet, but you're not gonna just, you know, step in these. And I didn't step in these and say, dang, these are the most comfortable shoes in the world. I would just say they're average. I mean, better than a Van, you know, because Vans are really bristle and uncomfortable, but, you know, less comfortable than something like some Lunar Lawn or some Ultra Boost or anything that has a premium comfort feeling to it, right? So it sits right in the middle. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe down in the comment section. I think that these are a really cool and underrated sneaker that I feel like, you know, aren't gonna get as much love as a Jordan or anything like that, obviously. But for me, I kind of understand and know what I like. I would be interested and curious to know what you guys like. Obviously, if you clicked on this video, you probably are interested in JJJJound or interested in the classic nylon, and you wanted to learn more about it. Let's have a conversation down in the comment section. All I can say is I'm very, very excited about this shoe, very, very excited about wearing it, showcasing it, putting it in different outfits. If you don't know, I actually put a lot of time and effort into, you know, putting together outfits on my Instagram. So if you want to, you know, follow an individual who's, you know, cares and is interested in fashion, that would be me. Follow me at DrewJoyner_. Hopefully I didn't sound a little bit weird by saying that. I like making outfits. I like doing those kind of things. So if you're interested in those things, follow me. Or if you want to connect with me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at @DrewJoyner_. But other than that, I think, like I said, I think these are a beautiful shoe. I'm super excited about them. I also have the Reebok Club C's from JJJJound coming in, so stay tuned for that. If you watch to this point in the video, just give me a like, because you know that I'm getting the Reebok Club C's and you're probably excited now to see those as well, and we'll be doing a review on those, and we're just gonna keep the reviews coming, keep chugging along. I'm probably gonna do some outfit videos at some point. It's probably starting 2021 as well, and so hopefully you guys are enjoying the content, man. I appreciate each and every one of you, for real. You guys are literally amazing. All the people who like, who comment, who do whatever. I mean, I appreciate the 116 subscribers that I have. I really do. You guys are awesome. All right, y'all, have a blessed rest of your day. Subscribe if you enjoyed the content today. Like, of course, if you enjoyed the content today. And like I said before, follow me on Instagram at @DrewJoyner_. I truly appreciate you, and have a beautiful rest of your day. See ya.